down your bike and escort us to the LA Emergency Management Center, Toronto. Now, Punch!
You just stay off your cell phone.
Are you serious?
Will do, officer.
Follow me.
Welcome to Hollywood, where every day hundreds of hopeful starlets arrive to make their dreams come true, and hundreds more leave when they don't. Okay, and now we're coming up on the world-famous Capitol Records building, which is designed to look like a stack of records on a turntable, and the first building in Hollywood to have air conditioning. Built in 1956. Whoa, nothing to worry about there, folks. Just a little tremor. Happens every day in LA.
So she isn't safer out there.
Only if Ritter turns on 5, but he assured me that he wouldn't.
He assured you. The man is a known scumbag. You should have left that job a long time ago.
We gonna have this tired argument
again? I just feel like
again?
you chose this jerk over your own
You were the one who left me, okay?
Oh, I recall giving you several opportunities. Why are you turning?
Because I need gas.
There's plenty of gas in the tank. What we need to do is get to our daughter.
I don't know how long I'm gonna be driving around in this wilderness for.
Nicole must be
There's a gas
terrified
station.
out there.
Okay, you're right. Best not to stop.
These localized earthquakes have yet to be confirmed by the U.S. Geological Survey, which could not be reached for comment.
I should have never let him touch my hammer.